How many rooms you have?
We do have 160 rooms in the hotel, including suites. Basically, in terms of breakdown, we do have 149 rooms and 11 suites.
And when you have last renovation?
Yes, we're gonna go basically through renovations as well, starting from January of next year, and it's gonna complete more or less, like 6 months time. Actually, it's on this way.
So you're like 15 years old?
Yes, at the moment, yeah. But the hotel, although it has a certain age, it's very well maintained. How did you find the suite that you're staying in at the moment?
Because St. Regis, right?
Hmm?
No, good maintained because St.
Not
Regis.
because Regis, but we took care. We did like some soft refurbishments as well. In some areas as well. We enhanced basically some technology, some telephones, some televisions as well in the rooms. So we basically keep it.
To 605?
2615. She's on this way. We took the wrong.
Ah.
Yeah. 2619. All right. Front office.
So?
This is basically our Grand Deluxe Skyline view, so very spacious in terms of size and can accommodate up to 3 guests.
So you can see Kobe.
Oh yeah. It's actually very close, it's like 20 minutes, 25 minutes by train. Have you been there? Yeah.
No, Osaka, very good.
That's a nice place, Osaka.
Go to Kyoto, go to Nara.
Exactly. Osaka is honestly the best place to visit Kansai because it's light in the middle. So you can overnight a couple of nights here and you can have day trips basically to Nara, to Kyoto, Kobe.
You also can go to Hiroshima.
Hiroshima, exactly.
And Himeji. So 5 nights.
5 nights.
Best.
A lot of places in Japan, honestly. There is really a lot to explore. But Osaka has a lot to offer as well. There will be now the expo starting from April. It's going to be a major worldwide event. We're expecting actually a lot of movements.
After that price increase?
Sorry?
After that price increase?
Yeah, during the expo period, the prices would increase a little bit. Especially in April, that combines with the opening of expo and Sakura season is one of the busiest period that we have in Osaka, I would say.
Why you have 2 different amenities? Botanica and Rare.
Sorry?
Why you have 2 different?
In terms of amenities? Actually, it's supposed to be only one, but I guess at the moment they have placed both.
The others you have very funny. So you have this one and this one.
That's correct. We do have actually different jets as well as the main.
Jets.
Yeah. So very spacious in terms of size. Of course, all the rooms and suites has access to our butler service, which is very unique.
A butler box you
That's
have.
correct. This is actually something quite unique, I believe. Not every hotel has. Basically, the guest can drop, the laundry outside. It can be picked up anytime.
This room also have, right? Or not?
Yeah. Every room actually has. We do have the mini bar here. Espresso machine, coffee, teas. It's available also throughout the day. As well as we do provide 2 complimentary pressing of per day of laundry. And yes, that's actually that.
So butler box.
Butler box is called, yeah. Basically, any items, anything can be delivered there, and you know, in case the guest, you know, wants to have more privacy or is not able, you know, to collect personally. Could be food as well, of course. Or anything, you know, a guest requests, you know, for instance, to the butler, you know, belongings or something, you know, the butler would like to buy on behalf of the guest, can be basically dropped there as a convenience.